My name's Megan. I'm a freelance copywriter and blogger. I'm reviewing Milanote, and my review for Milanote is 4 stars. And for more reviews like this, click below. I began using Milanote when it was in beta stage, and before that I had not really used any similar programs. The closest things that I'd used would be some mind mapping apps, just through Play Store on my phone, and maybe Evernote for note taking and saving links and things like that. But Milanote is quite unique. It's more of a mind mapping note taking software, I guess. So yeah, I don't think there's any other software that's exactly like it. I chose to start using Milanote because, like I said, it was in the beta stage and I like to try new software. But yeah, I just liked the idea of the visual layout, of the mind mapping sort of style of collecting information and saving links and images and notes and everything. So I started to just see what it was like, and I thought it was pretty good. The onboarding was really quite simple. It's easy to use. You just sort of click the button if you want to add an image or a link or a note or a list. There's a sidebar that's got the buttons that you can click to add new things to your boards. You can create new boards and add things to your boards, and I found it really easy to use, which is one of the things I liked about it. If anyone's considering using Milanote, I recommend giving it a try, definitely. I think they have a free plan. I'm not sure what the limits are, because I think I got special limits because I started using it so early on. But definitely give it a try because it's quite unique, and it allows you to do quite a lot of things on there, and just the visual layout can be really helpful for some people if you're planning like a website design or even just planning content for your website. It can be really useful to store the information there and have it all laid out so that you can see it. They also now have templates that you can use to help you plan out different things. They've come a long way since they started in beta. So I definitely recommend it, that if you're thinking of giving it a try, give it a go.